Hi, I'm Tatiana with 10-Minute Tasks. In today's video, I will be sharing how I organized our closet. I share a closet with my husband and our 3-year-old son, and this project was getting overwhelming for me, and I kept thinking about it over and over. I need to do that closet, but it will take you all day probably, so just put music on and just focus. It will save you a lot of time in the long run because you just go straight to that section of your closet. You don't have to sift through lots of clothes that no longer fit you, you don't like anymore. People try to incentivize people to dress up more because you feel better, whatever. I am just going to be real with myself, and I'm a very sporty, yoga, relaxed at home, cozy type of person. I honestly use my Nike tennis shoes every single day. I love them. They're just black and white, so simple. They're so comfortable. That's just my vibe right now. So my closet is kind of one of those closets with these cheaply made different sections on this side. So I have some like shelving here, which is helpful because we do bins as a family. And I got the clear ones because I like to see what's in them. Some people don't like this because it's kind of exposed. Some people have drawers that are closed. I watched Marie Kondo's Netflix special, and the first thing she does is she puts everything on the bed, and then you have to sift through the pile, and then where are you gonna put those clothes? I am gonna be pulling everything out and try and create several different sections. And then so I have 8 squares here, and sweaters and underwear, socks, throw away, donate, or something that's seasonal. And put throw away, donate, seasonal. This is underwear, and put underwear, socks together. I'll put tanks, shirts, and pants over here. I have the pants here, and I'm just gonna keep it on the hanger because it's already ready to go. These are like skirts and dresses. Tank tops. So these are all my shirts, sweaters, and jackets. See, this is a seasonal one. Sweaters. Okay, this is what my room looks like now. I'm just pulling out as much as possible. You ever heard the term, you have to make a mess to clean up a mess? I've got gadgets and gizos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. Then when you clear out your closet and take everything out, you need to clean it. So try and look for cobwebs up in the ceiling, wipe the shelves down, wipe your baseboards down, make sure that they're dust free, vacuum, mop. Do what you need to do to just have a very clean, clear space. This is the opportunity, this is the good time to clean it out, is when there's nothing there and it's bare.
Hi everyone, we're trying to try this. I want to eat with the rag. With the towel?
Do you want to do the spray?
Yeah, I do.
Perfect.
It's so dirty in here.
Yeah.
It's so dirty.
Yep.
You hear it?
Yep. Wow.
That twins fast. Make it square.
You make a square with it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a square.
A big one.
Okay, let's make a big square.
A big
this,
one.
And then make a square like this, right? You want a square like that?
Yeah, that's this way. That's this way. A big square. I want to clean the wall.
Okay, you can clean the wall.
Yeah, the wall is really dirty.
That's right. That's a good idea. Let's vacuum in here too.
Oh.
You want to vacuum?
I want to find you.
You want to vacuum? Just hold the button. Okay. use this part.
Let's use this.
You get all the bottom clothes. This one, I'm like, no, I'm not wearing it. Like, I'm okay giving that away, you know? That's how you should feel about your things. You don't want to give something away and be like, oh man, I really wanted that back, you know? Be in tune with how you're feeling when you're giving things away. Let's talk about the stuff. Maybe you want to do laundry every 2 weeks. Maybe once a month. What does that look like? Whatever it is, whenever you can get all of your laundry done and put away, this is how you would determine how many clothes you actually need. All of these clothes, I should count them and see how many tank tops I have, how many shirts I have, how many pants I have. Let's think about this for a moment. So if I do laundry once a week, then I would need an outfit once a day. So that times 7, I might have a switch of clothes in that same day. And then of course there's seasonal stuff that you can change out. And I have seasonal things here, which are like costume type things, Christmas sweaters, seasonal things you bring out once a year. I'm just gonna hold on to our Christmas sweaters, and so that we have something ready to go. In here there are Christmas sweaters, and then here it's like festive type of things. I have a bag for all of the different blankets I have. I have picnic blankets, I have baby blankets, I have blankets for the airplane. These blankets I do use, but not every day, so I'm going to keep them in the upper storage area as well. It's going to minimize my closet space. It's going to be more simple to take care of, and it's going to be less clutter. I'm going to have more room, more space, more clarity, and better mental health. So then when you start putting things back in, just put them in their sections. If you have his and hers side, figure that out. If you have a child, a small child, maybe more accessible with having your things lower for the child to pick out their own clothes and dress themselves. Eye level, not too much reaching, because these are clothes that you're using every day. You might need to make a little bit of an investment to kind of organize these things into compartments once you put them back into your closet or your drawers. I am using these cheap dollar store hangers. I got these at the Dollar Tree. And then the bigger ones, I got them at the Dollar General for $5 each. But you can also get creative with what you have at home. You might have a shoebox, but you do need to section things off because that does make it a lot more organized. Every time I found a random kind of container or bag or purse, I put it in here. A bag for all my bags. Scarves. I have so many scarves. It's crazy. I do need to get rid of scarves, but I have one bag full of my scarves and I can sift through them and pick out one. I'm going to split the shelving area with my husband. So we have his side here on the left and then my side here on the right. And then we have our son's things down below where he can reach. So I have my bras here, 4 sports bras and 3 actual regular bras. And then my underwear, I want 2 pairs of underwear per day, so I want 14. Let's see how many we have. 1, 12, 13, 14. There's like some underwear I use at night because they're more comfortable at night, and then I have these daily underwear that I use all the time. So I want 1 pair of socks per day, so I want at least 7 pairs of socks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I also share with my husband because he has socks that fit my feet. We also have these types of socks, which are like cozy socks. And cozy socks are like lounging around the house. You want thicker, kind of warmer socks. And I believe I found another pair of the missing socks pile. So these are socks that need a pair, but maybe got lost in the mix of your laundry, having a separate section for this is super helpful, because if you find the other sock, you know where to go to make the pair. And for my shorts, I have one jean shorts, and then I have one that's like for the swimming pool, and then I have a lounge shorts that's for at home. I'm comfortable with that amount of shorts because I can also use skirts and dresses. I put on one hanger these two bathing suits, one swimwear, and then an extra in case that one gets wet, and then I have another one to use. So I really only need two. I have one white shirt, and then I have two city shirts with prints on them, and then one has a little bit of a print on it. However, I do use a lot of my husband's. So, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tank tops. Now I have these other shirts that are like my kind of prettier shirts. So I'm gonna put these t-shirts to the side and just put the kind of prettier shirts that I could wear with like a skirt or something like that. I'm gonna put those in a separate area. So I have one black one, one pink one, and two white ones. And I have a cozy sweater that I use inside the house, the great indoors. And I have this thicker sweater that actually used to be Matt's, but I've used it so much and I love it. These cardigans that you can just throw over a shirt if you're kind of feeling cold, but you don't really want a sweater or anything covering the front. A cardigan is a good idea. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 jogger pants, and I'm happy with that number. I don't need any more. The yoga flare, I do like them. I have 2 pairs and I think that's enough. I just really need a really good fitting pair of jeans. These just do fit me well. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pajama shirts. And then each of the shirts has the matching shorts inside. It is cute, but I'm just not using it enough, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sweaters. I don't feel like I need any more. This is good for me. This one is like a vest, and I just recently bought this and I use it a lot. I just put on my t-shirt, or I can put on a thin sweater and use it underneath. This one is my jacket. It can fold up into a little ball, and it's a down jacket, very long. It has pockets with zippers. Now the dresses and skirts I'm going to put in the very back because I don't wear dresses and skirts often. It's very rare. I hope that this helps you, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell too to be notified of the very next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.